My little old tug, Regina, and I nosed our way into the port de la Concorde, but before very long I was in for a surprise. Oscar Wilde, who died here in Paris, said about the folk who went fox hunting that they were the unspeakable in pursuit of the uneatable. This young lawyer, taking the afternoon off, was catching eels for a friend. Then, to his consternation, he hooked a biggie. When the monster finally broke the surface, he said it was a carp. It must have weighed all of 30 pounds. If carp weigh more than 3 pounds, they are apparently uneatable. He put the fish back and it swam off, apparently none the worse for wear.